Mama's kitchen where flavors collide. Healthy and heartful, it's where I confide. Chopping up dreams while the onions slide. Oh, how soup simmering, my soul takes a ride. Oh, the herbs and spices, they sing so sweet in the pot of life where traditions meet. A dash of love with every beat. Mama's cooking makes me complete. Oh, how soup fills my heart with fire. Every spoon fills my soul's desire. Taste of love, no meals above. A dish from heaven that I admire. Garlic whispers and the peppers play in Amaka's glow.